back to For With Me again. This is our habits. So every night we have free time and didn't sleep. So that's why in this big change I must talk one beautiful topic. Maybe this is the old topic, but we must talk about it. The topic is relationship. Okay, Brother Rizky, are you ready to talk about relationship?
I'm fucking ready. You better you first.
Yeah. So in this life, we must looking for our partner. He can be our our wife or our girl, our friend, just friend. But to looking for some or a woman to be wife is the very tough. I have experience about relationship or my ex girlfriend, and everyone have experience. Better I invite my friend to talk about relationship. Maybe he can give tips or motivation to you or to others.
What the hell?
Because because the this is all topic, and I think this topic be useful to other people who listen or hear our conversation. Let's go, Brother Rizky.
Let's move to
Are
the
you
jungle.
ready to make conversation about this topic?
But relationship from my ex or maybe some friends.
Yeah, depends on
Relating
you.
to
If you want to
parents.
talk about your ex, it's okay, but I think this is your privacy.
No, I think I just want to tell about my connection, my relationship with my fucking goddamn girlfriend right now.
Okay.
I don't think I don't know why because I use camera first
because
for you.
because this topic, if you speech or tell about your story, all of us can know about your secret.
I think I just tell just a little bit is not private from me. All of somebody can
Listen.
mengalami
Oh yeah.
can be
Maybe they ever
they able to get
get
relationship
the
like me
experience.
experience like
Okay.
me so because I don't think too much about relationship right now because
Okay.
I have a little bit about this connection or maybe relationship with my fucking goddamn girlfriends. Like I think actually I had been cutting my relationship when I was still in high school.
Senior high school or junior?
Senior high school,
Senior high
I
school.
had been cut my relationship,
Yeah.
but until now I and I with my actually this my bestie right now is my friend still have a connection or maybe when I want to go to some place any place I just gather and I don't know why someone talks to me, bro. This your girlfriend? No, this it's not my girlfriend. I just to be friends because I will often to make story in IG in
Yeah.
WhatsApp, and somebody told me, "Is this your girlfriends?" No, bro, this is my just my friends, but we are close friends like that.
Yeah, include me. I
Just
make opinion to Brother Rizky. Maybe their relationship is very deep. Why, bro? Because every his post or he make a story with his goddamn girlfriend or his goddamn friend, he always gather together and yeah, maybe eat together in some beautiful place. So
that's
I think if she is your friend, it's seldom to other people invite girl to eat together in special place. Just you, just you and your friend. I don't know. You lie to us or
I'm sorry, bro.
you
Yes.
don't brave to public your
Yeah,
status.
I have a little bit preface because I just explain my experience.
Hmm.
Yeah, others people can be experience about my two.
Hmm.
Yeah, surely a loving love with someone is very tough for me because about the man, if I want to love her, actually I have to get a big brave to ask her like I love you. Directly you say I love you. This man, if you
Yeah.
just ask in your Instagram like you love somebody and you just chat him in Instagram until that he's don't respond you again.
No,
Respond you again or respond or no?
no, because I seldom to chatting with
Ah,
her.
yeah. And so the conclusion is if the man want to get in love with someone, I think better say face to face. And if you if she don't want about you, you just bro, I don't like you. Yes, yeah, you can find
Seriously,
again and again.
directly
Directly to ask.
ask in front of
Yeah.
her,
If you and her don't want to you, you can
change.
change and you don't think too much about her because her don't like you. You can
Yeah,
find and get a lot of human. I mean, in the world still have a lot of women. Don't think about one woman.
yeah.
Just her. Just
Okay,
fucking bad.
okay, Jay. So I think this is the random topic, but I must make a clearly topic. So the topic is how about your opinion? Married before success or
The deep
married
question,
after
though.
your success?
Okay, I get a lot of point. So in this era, 2025, to somebody find a beautiful job is very hard, very tough to find a better job in the future because in this era, if someone want to enter like a big company, a famous company, can have a lot of connection and acquaintances and connect relationship.
Yeah.
And if someone don't have like that, I think it's very difficult to enter because it is in Indonesia, bro. It is in Konoha.
Yeah.
And the second reason is must to graduate from university.
Must
The minimal have to graduate to university.
to
And I prefer to choose married before success.
Hmm.
Because to be successful is very hard in this era. If you have a rich man in your family is okay, you're easier to find to get a better job. But take an example like somebody. If somebody grow in the poor is not rich family, they can feel it is hard for me to be a successful like someone support by family. It is very hard. So that's why I prefer to choose married before successful, because she want to accompany me to be successful, to be a rich man, maybe. It's something like that.
Okay, that's good idea. That's good opinion.
It's depend from the family. It's depend from you. It's different if you want to get a better job or no. If you just want to get, it's not job but the salary is very high. It's very simple.
So your opinion is you can marry before your
Yeah,
success.
I prefer to choose that.
Okay. Actually, I uh,
Agree or no with my opinion?
agree with his opinion, but because this is time to debate, so
Yeah,
I
so you
must,
can choose disagree.
yeah, I have to choose disagree because if you married before your success, this is very difficult to your family, to your small family. First time after you married, maybe you must work hard to get money, to get everything you want. Like you, you want to make or build your house, or
Yeah.
you want to looking for money to your life. So I think better you must marry after your success, because if you
That's right.
success, yeah, I think easier to make family happy, like you and your wife. It's very easier, and I think if you have a lot of money or if you success, your wife feel happy too. Because yeah, she just live in your or stay in your home and do it work as a mother home.
Lady mother. What?
Yeah, mother home.
Mother home.
So he needn't to looking for job or
Oh, because
yeah,
I'm still
because
successful, right?
yes, because you're still successful and you just focus to your, maybe after married, yeah, you must, yeah, exactly, have a child, and your wife or you can focus to your child, teach teach them about how to make or how to get a good character, good attitude, and get the many lessons from your wife or yourself. So
Okay, I can object you. Objection for you.
okay, maybe it's my first answer. How about you, brother Rizky?
So I can object
From
your
my opinion.
opinion. How about when somebody come from the old family?
Yeah.
Like if somebody want to be successful but doesn't support to our parents, our family,
Hmm.
they can do by his himself can do alone, and it is very fucking difficult, bro.
Yeah.
If to be successful, because you can look for first from the situation in this country. This is in Indonesian, and it's not like how see this easier to find about job. If you come to poor family and bad family and to be successful is difficult
Mm.
because the 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 way to earn to get a lot of money is very difficult because you take an example like this. You come to poor family and you never go to university, and
Yeah.
then you don't have a lot of experience, don't have a lot of pengalaman,
Experience.
experience like you just extrovert person and introvert person, and you don't have a lot of connection.
Mm.
It's very fucking difficult. So better. Nah, I know this is in Indonesian. If you want to get a lot of money, you can dirty hearts work like coolie.
Yeah.
This the silent is very big, but your body is must be strong. Nah, you can get a lot of money, you can to be successful, but you can get a lot of tired, bro, because
Yeah.
this is dirty work. It's not like someone just sitting in the company, just in front, just
In
look
front
at the
of
computer, just do it. After
things.
that, leaving, come to
Yeah.
home. This very easy. It's different. Now, how about when somebody come to the poor family? You
Come
still
from.
come to the poor family. You still choose about success, merit after success, or merit before success.
Okay. This is good opinion. So I opposite or disagree with your opinion because to be success there are many people can be success, not only rich man family but poor family can be success. But
How do we?
yes, you must work together, work hard work, especially this is a new era, modern era. We can get a job
How do?
from the internet, maybe like
Oh, internet.
content creator.
You
Now,
must be to be creative.
yes. So I think to be a creative person, not only rich man, but
Oh yeah, yeah. In the poor family can be.
poor family can be. The rules is you must be a creative person, and I disagree with your opinion because you say that just rich man can get a good
Good job in the
good
future.
job in the future. But in the fact, we know that all of many people in Indonesia come from poor family and they study hard and they work hard work to be success. And you can imagine if you are as poor man and you didn't have money, so you look for a wife or your uh, yeah, you look for wife and you live together, stay in one room. In fact, you are the poor man, right? Your money is, yeah, I think a little, you have a little money. How to uh,
Okay.
build your
Okay.
your family?
Directly, I want to object.
Yeah.
So
So yeah, move to Brother Rizky. You want to answer my
if
answer?
I before success to be married, it is fucking good, man. Because if you before married and you before success you getting married. It's fucking good because you can be work together like your wife and you work together to build like yeah it can be work together and before and after you married and you don't be successful. I just after married, right? Yeah.
Before.
I just married before success.
Yes.
Before success can be
Yeah, can be.
we
But
work together. If you just after success you go to married, you can work by yourself. You can work alone. You don't have a partner to be support you, to be increase you in the
yeah.
top, or maybe your friend. Your friend is not accompanying for a long time, bro. Your friend have a plan by himself like bro and I'm not accompany you until in the end like that.
Okay. I opposite or disagree again because if I hard work and I am a poor man, I'm focused on my working. I don't yeah disturb.
No one support you.
No one support me. It's okay.
Yeah.
This is my challenge. How to be success. How to be rich man. How so this way I must hard work and maybe I can focus. I have a target during 3 or 4 years. I must work, study hard to get much money, and after that I can build my dream house. I can maybe buy land.
Then is okay.
Yes, I have a lot of money. So
It's very dangerous, but
if you still poor man and you married, I think it's not okay. Maybe for you, fine, it's fine, but you must think about your partner. You must think about your wife. Your wife, if you have a little money, it's we can it's can be difficult to your wife or your partner. You must think about yourself and your partner, brother. And maybe if you married after success, your focus just only to your children, then make your wife or your partner easier to still stay in your home.
so
Because I think if you don't have a lot of money, you force your wife to work. You force your partner. And if you partner or if your wife want to work with you, it's fine. But if he cannot working,
okay. It's
you get the point.
so okay. Actually, I prefer to choose working woman because
Okay.
before we are getting married
Hmm.
we still have a lot of time, we still have a lot of experience, we can be to enter this this and you married you to be successful. Take an example like this: you rent your house like in the houses per month and you just live two people, and then every single day you go outside to walk, and your wife just still sitting in your home, just still brush your clothes, and like that. And I think this is useful for me, because if you still can be work, you can work, you still young, you still have a lot of energy,
Hmm.
and no one in house before you have a children. But if you
Have a children
have a children, it is
and you still poor.
still no. My question is not like that. Married, but before have a children.
Hmm.
Married first, children later. Like
Hmm.
that, we can work together to get of money, and then we
Build a house.
nabung,
Yeah.
and better we will build a better house, like buy house alone, like it's not rent in the houses.
Make a house.
Make house
Build
by
build.
yeah, like that. But the big problem, you still working, and your wife have a children. Your wife is not go to outside to work too, because have a children, right?
Yeah.
Like that. Think
So
a
how
children is not useful to, if we are no we are done success.
how if your status is still poor
Yes.
after you have a child?
No. I'm
Mm.
I'm force myself to be successful first. After that, I
Yeah.
can be make a children. It is my opinion, because if I have a children, because I'm still a poor man, this very big problem for me. I can land in the bank from the perawatan about my children, like that. This very fucking useless if I have children before married. But the married first is totally fine for me.
Yeah.
What the point of view?
Yeah. Disagree.
So what?
You know that if you success, you can stay in your room. I mean, if you success, you have a lot of money and you have like usaha. You have a worker. You as a owner. Your status is owner of. Maybe you can buy a lot of car or the others. You can make business. Its name is success. You have a lot of things. So if you success, you woman find you, look for you. Yeah.
Yeah, I know
As,
that.
yes, as a rich man, we can choose. Oh, this is we can choose from his character, from her body, maybe from her face. You can choose.
Like big bobs.
Yeah, depends on because you are the success man. Money is everything, brother. So if you a rich man, there are so many women who need they come to you,
Find me.
find you, and maybe I think if you invite them to marry, they agree,
Because
directly agree.
I'm still successful, right?
Successful. They saw your business, they saw your money. Oh, this is and your style is high style. Like every day you uh, hold your key. Maybe you buy a high or expensive car. so they can, oh, this is my dream husband, like that. So brother Rizky, success man is the, yeah, thing. It's very good to a man. Yeah, if you can be success, you can get everything. Wife, good wife, and the others, and your life is very very beautiful.
So you after
Then poor man. Yeah, I
your
know.
opinion is after you getting married and you have a wife
Hmm.
and you don't have a children. I think you don't want to have a children. Your
No.
your wife if still in your house, you walk alone.
Ah,
How about
I
what the point
think
of view?
I think success man is, I have a bus business like that. I have a lot of things. I have a house, and I have yeah, maybe,
Helping lady.
no, yeah, maybe. So I can, I'm as a owner in my business. I just control their control from my house. So I stayed in my house with my
Okay,
wife every day. I just make happy with my wife.
it's not all of men.
Yes.
Mechanism like this. You know the owner of the rich man in the world,
Mm.
like owner of Tesla. You know the name? I forgot. Elon Musk.
Yeah.
Elon Musk to be a rich man. No one have money than rich man. Then Elon Musk. Because still right now, in this time, in this day, he is still fucking busy right now, bro. Don't have a time from the family. Because the business.
Yeah.
So
Happens.
if you work like as the officer of the company,
Mm.
you cannot work in home. You have to work in your company and still in front of laptop every single day. So you don't have a lot of time with your fucking wife, and your wife still in home. Take an example, you don't have children, you don't want to make
Mm.
directly children, and your wife just still in your home, just still porn, just scrolling TikTok, maybe if you fucking busy, she is maybe very fucking bored and find a lot of man is it is cheating is okay because you don't know the situation of the girl.
No.
So you just working and you rich man and you don't care about your wife, always stay at home, don't do anything, and you don't have a children too.
No. Your conclusion is wrong, bro.
What the point of view?
If I stay with my wife in my room, I can invite my girlfriend or my wife to looking for my business. Like, this is my business. Maybe
Every
I
single
have,
day you invite in your
no,
office.
no, 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 no. Not
What?
in my office. Sometimes in my house, sometimes in my office, sometimes I invite my girlfriend or my wife to go to other
Accompany you.
place.
No,
Yeah,
no.
company me.
You
Not to working, but to holidays, to
yeah, bro. To be a rich man is very difficult, very
yeah.
fucking busy. You work, you don't have time. Take an example like the famous milliarder like Elon Musk. This fuck
Little
the
person
fact.
same like Elon Musk,
Ah,
brother. You must you must know about my statement. I am a success man. I have a lot of money. After I success, I married.
oh, you think like that. You success, you
Hmm.
married, but you don't want
Work.
to hard work.
Yes. I,
Continue work.
no, because I'm a businessman. I have a lot of business. Like I have.
How about you are the owner of the big company. You are the boss.
I'm the boss.
You always very fucking busy, bro.
I'm just stay in my home, and after
No,
that I can
cannot.
control. I can. You know, this is modern era, bro. You can take CCTV in your office or in your company. You can see or control from your
Nah, it's okay,
house.
because the owner of boss is fucking busy, bro. Like Jokowi, this is the boss actually.
He's a president, different, bro.
Like an example like Jokowi, he always go to anywhere, any place.
Yeah,
A boss
as a
and
president,
have a it's not have a time with his family.
different, bro.
Like an example like
Jokowi, you.
it's not Jokowi, others. You
Okay,
ever hear in
Who?
Japanese people, civilians, they always work in the start in the morning until afternoon at 5 o'clock, and then come to home to having time with his children or maybe his wife. After that, in the morning come again, they always enter work again. After that, until very fucking confused. You know the news until many people in Japan bunuh diri about her job.
They are the worker,
Ah,
not
yeah.
owner.
Worker but have a lot of money. I take example like
Different the owner,
that.
bro.
And the owner too.
No,
As the owner of the big,
because
you can fucking busy, bro.
they have a partner. Maybe they cannot how to get the solution from their problem. Yeah, I have partner, I have wife. If I have a problem in my life, I can maybe I can talk deep with my wife, so I get problem. Can you give me solution? Can you give me maybe suggestion or motivation like that? You talking about the problem in Japanese. I know in Japanese.
Have a lot of
No.
people
Their
to be there.
their mindset is different with Indonesia. So they mm, they didn't want to looking for a partner. They want to live alone, work alone, and stay alone. Just focus to to work.
It's not at all. It's not all.
You
It's not
know,
all. I think
Japanese
sometimes have a wife
Japanese
and children.
product about 18 plus videos. Yeah. The purpose of the 18
I know
plus
can make children like actually
yes in their
in
country.
their country, because many civilian in there don't want to have children,
Yeah.
because the government make the 18 video to be make a children,
Yes.
and
In order to their civilians uh, want to marry like that. It's the I think different country has a different.
I can I flexible in there.
First we focus talk in Indonesia, and you invite me to talk about Japanese. So I follow you. I follow your topic and follow your statement. After
So
that, you come back again.
yeah, my question is, if you work as the boss in the company but you don't have a time, you still very fucking busy in your job, and I think you cannot living about, if you living, yeah, many people can be angry with you. This is boss but cannot thinking hard, always living. So you cannot living your busy in your company and you just have a little fucking time with your wife. And your wife don't want to have a children. Your wife just stay at home, just
Yeah.
brush clothes, just scrolling
Before I
social
continue
media.
my answer,
So what the point
I
of
must
view?
ask you:
What?
easier boss or easier worker in company to work?
I think it's your boss.
Yeah.
But
So
the time
who
of
is the
boss is
control
very
in
fucking little, bro.
who is the control in the company?
I know the owner, this
Yes.
boss. How about your boss have a relationship, have a connection in about you? You have to go to there. After that, you go to there, because you are the as the famous a company, like
Yeah.
a big and famous a company like that.
So
Because the boss always come. It's not worker. Better the boss because the boss can be that you must be that.
I can pay smart people or smart,
Ah,
you know.
really?
Yes. In my opinion,
Yeah.
or in my company, I must look for one smart person, and I pay because I'm boss, bro.
Oh, you pay.
Yeah, so I can give give dati for team if other company make connection with us, or maybe they want to work with our company. Yeah, you can control you as a control person. I believe in you, so I just stay in my home, and in the morning I just uh,
Oh, you better you pay from somebody to do
yes,
your
because
worker.
I'm the owner, bro.
Okay, I know.
I have a lot of money.
So,
So in the morning, I just suggested to my smart person in my company, for today you must control all of workers, and in this afternoon and after your worker you can give me result. How about today? Like that.
take an
if
example like this.
if uh if have uh, other people from other company come to our company, you can call me like that.
How about if you want to go the big event?
Mhm.
It is must the boss will become. It's
Yeah.
not your smart worker cannot because this is even from your product, like
Yeah.
you build the Tesla, this the boss must become cannot smart worker because you are the owner, the increase of owner. What the
Yeah.
man of you?
If I have the big agenda in my company, I must invite my wife. No problem. This is my agenda. I'm the owner.
Yeah,
So
I know
what
you
the problem?
invite your wife,
I think
but I
it's
think you don't have a lot of time. You always work, work,
no,
work.
no, no, no.
You go to there. After that, you living at home. You have even agenda again. There living home.
So
Even you invite your wife, it
hmm?
is cannot because you don't having fun because I must do it this, do it this. You gather, but you it's not having time. You have a
No.
dirty after that. Ah, what's the point of view?
Just if I join in one agenda, I think this make a new connection with others.
Yeah,
Better for me.
connection better. You invite your wife, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
always invite, and maybe my wife can meet, yeah, their wife. After that, make maybe make a small circle like rich man
Last man circle.
circle like that. So it's very very easier if you have a lot of money, brother. But
Yeah. Yo.
take example like this. Take example like this. You are the poor man, and in a company there are very rules. Like in one
What?
company, only one from not couple can work in one company. Couple cannot. So how about that?
But
You know,
I don't get the point.
if you work in the hotel,
If I poor man.
no, this is the rules in hotel.
Uh,
Couple cannot working together in one hotel.
like getting married. Have been
Yes,
getting
yes,
married.
yes.
Cannot.
Cannot.
Oh. So.
Cannot. So it's very difficult for you. You work in one hotel and your father, yeah, your wife or your uh, partner working in other place. So that's why he get the new friend, maybe more handsome than you in the other place.
Okay.
So
This easy to answer, bro. This fucking easy.
so I think it's the very very maybe your wife sometimes she regret why I must marry with poor man like that.
You know.
So I must working hard working.
This is easy, bro. To answer your question.
Yeah.
You know. Did you remember when Mem Nova gave me question if I have honey, but my honey is getting love with somebody? You know my answer. Still remember or no?
But the position is not honey. Have married.
Yeah, I know. This is
So
fine.
you cut your
This is cut because in Java, you know, the rules in Java. If you had been make a promise after married, you cannot do willy nilly. You do you know semaumu. Nah.
mau ini.
Oh yeah, you don't do want to you, and you do want to you. We have a promise. If you cheating with, this is
Yeah.
directly cut because this my opinion in Java relationship. Like my father, my mom, this
So
have a promise like that.
so
Directly cut. Yeah, I know. Even
so
this is just no. I'm not like him. I just still little like
so
directly cut.
this effect of poor man. Your wife make a mistakes or chatting with other men because you are poor man. If you rich man or if you're success, your wife still in your house, stayed in your house, happy with maybe I think better you stay your wife stayed in your home.
How about
Because if your partner working, you always you exactly you're thinking, oh, how about my wife? Maybe in her company have a lot of handsome men than me.
okay.
Mm.
So it's not all of women think about that. Even you are a rich man, but your wife is still feeling alone. They cannot. I have anything. I have a lot of money, but my wife cannot.
My wife, my husband.
My husband cannot memperhatikan attention to me. This very fucking bored, bro. Even you
Affection.
rich man, your wife is to be find another man, because this is in Indonesia.
So
Money is not everything.
back to the topic. We can see in the fact how many people chatting or uh, stop their relationship after married. I think this is the impact of poor man or
Okay.
poor family.
It is easier to answer for you because if you married with girl, but the girl is rich man too, they don't care about you. I have a money, you have a money. I can cut my relationship. I can find another man. But if you married with same as rich man, if you married with the poor woman, I think the woman always follow you.
Our thing is, if I success, I'm a rich man too. So I can.
Yeah, you rich man too, but your wife is. How about your wife is rich man too?
If I rich man, I can choose
Choose what?
my wife.
Yeah, you choose.
Yeah, I think first I can choose from this her character. If I look, oh, this character is better, I choose her. And I think if I get the right woman, better to me, because if my wife is right, yeah, we are busy people. So it's simple to me to get to make a happy family, because she know uh, we are busy man, we are
Don't
busy
have a
people,
time to cheating.
don't have time to cheating, and our thinking, I think rich men have a good thinking.
Yeah, I know. I am with you if you say like that. But back in the topic before you after married, but you are busy and don't care about your wife.
I can
Don't care
I
about.
never thought I'm busy, brother.
Back in the topic.
Yes.
What was the topic?
The topic is, if I success before I married, I busy, but after success, I will just stay in my room. So money come to me without work. Money come to me like that. You know, in this era, we know about saham or others. We just deposit in saham. Maybe waiting 5 years, we can get maybe maybe if I deposit 1 million, I can get 1 million too in 5 years. If my company or my saham is increase. So that's why in Indonesia, people, rich people, more rich than poor people.
You know the lingkungan,
Environment.
enforcement in Indonesia. The poor man always poor until die. The rich
Yeah.
man always rich until die. I don't know the rules of Indonesia because the poor
Because-
man cannot increase and the
Yeah.
rich man must be increase always.
I think it's
I don't know the encouragement of
other side of our topic. we must talk. Depends on my topic, brother. So, think.
You can give me question, I can answer.
Mm, I think enough to debate, but it's time to make conclusion. Yeah, first from you or
From
me?
you.
Okay. We cannot control our life. We cannot control where we burn, but we must believe in ourselves. To be a poor man or to be a rich man is, yeah, we must receive our reality in our life. So realize from our status, if I as a poor man, I must hard hard work and study hard. And if I as a rich man, I must continue to uh, work. I must continue to keep my money and not I I cannot to be wastafel person. Yes.
No, no,
What the meaning of wastafel?
the I forgot. In
Boros.
In
Boros.
Indonesia is
Boros.
no. You give your money, but the woman looking your money. What the-
No, wastafel is boros. Maybe I'm wrong. After this, I can find in my dictionary. Sorry, brother. So the conclusion is we must believe on ourselves. We must respect to other, to yourself, as a poor man or as a rich man, because different is beautiful. We born as a poor man or we born as a rich man. Yeah, this is life. This is our journey in the world. So we must struggle to be rich man. And I think no problem if we live as a poor man. We must believe in ourselves. So next we can listen the conclusion from Brother Rizky.
Yeah, I think so. I think to be a poor man, we have to realize about our situation. If we to be a poor man, I think better we find the money first because money is everything.
Of course.
If we are the this man, we can careful about like woman just money, money, money. And in Java is londe, you know.
Wow. Yeah.
It's the name of the woman always asks from the money.
Yeah.
This depend
Mm.
like that.
Okay.
It's time to it's only 1 hour, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for your attention. I think from our topic today can be useful to your life, to yourself. Maybe you can learn from our information or our discussion. I know this is very hard to choose to be, but I think everyone have to choose rich man or rich people.
Of
Because
course.
if you a rich man, it's easier to everything you want. Yeah, everything you can get it. You can holidays in the other country. You can buy everything. You can do it, but the rules is rich and have a lot of money. So thank you for tonight. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.